What's the next soup we are going to make today?
It's lentil soup.
Let's make this easy peasy soup.
We start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 big onion diced into small pieces. Next we add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic crushed. For easy use, you can crush ginger and garlic and keep it in the freezer. Next we add some salt. Give it a mix and saute the onion till golden brown. It's time for seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and some pepper powder. Now we add a pinch of Ajwain seeds. These are very good for all your gastric issues. It works like magic. Next we add 2 tomatoes diced. Just give it a slight mix. And now it's time to add some carrots. 3 to 4 carrots and 1 piece of garlic. Mix it all and cover and cook for a while until you find the tomatoes tender. Now you can easily peel off the skin of the tomatoes. Just remember to cut the tomatoes into bigger pieces so you can easily take out the skin. Now comes our real star ingredient, red lentils or masoor dal. Cover it and cook. Add in more water if the water is absorbed. If you like a chunky soup, you can have it this way, or you can put it in a blender and make it into a fine smooth paste. Add in enough water and keep mixing as per the consistency you prefer for the soup. Now some lemon juice for that tangy taste, some dried mint leaves in the end. These are all optional. You can add some paprika powder to enhance the flavor. That's all, dear friends. Our easy and healthy lentil soup is ready. You see lentil soup along with all the Arabic food, all the Mediterranean dishes. And since then we have been trying to make that perfect lentil soup at home. We had tried with green lentils previously. Later we found that red lentils or masoor dal works best for lentil soup. So I really hope you all will try this out and let us know your comments. Thank you.